Everyone's chasing views, but if nobody remembers you, it won't matter. Artificial intelligence is about to flood every feed with 10,000 times more content, most of it faster, sharper, and cheaper than you can humanly create. So how do you compete? Simple. You don't. You stand out. Build a brand people search for, a name they remember. Become a category of one, not the 500th coach, creator, or copycat. Because in the era of infinite noise, the only people who survive are the ones we look for on purpose. Do people know you or just your content? Drop a fire emoji if you're building a brand worth remembering.